Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi Sabtu pagi bersama Mas Ahmad Dzuizz, Belajar Olimpiade Komputer ya.
Iya.
Oke, Mas Dzuizz. Hari ini kita mau belajar
Ya. I don't hear you. Yeah, I do not hear you.
Sorry. Mikrofonnya ya nggak masuk tadi kayaknya ya. Oke. Coba ini Mas, sudah sampai di mana soal Kattisnya? Udah how many problems have you done?
One, two, three, four, five.
I think one page is 100. Coba scroll down. How many pages do you have? One page is, kalau nggak salah 100 ya. Okay, so around 100 something ya. Okay, good. Now let's see yang kamu belum kerjain yang easy, sort by difficulty. Sort by difficulty yang you have not done. Yeah. Okay, cool. Which one you wanna do?
I don't know. This, I guess.
Yeah, you can go one by one. All right, this looks easy.
Very easy. Okay, I know how to do this.
Yeah, this one is you got two numbers A and B, and you just need to sort the number, right? Print the smaller one and then the big one. So input.split will give you list already, so you don't need to make it a list again. But if you map, then you need to force it to become a list. If you map like this, then it will not give you a list, right? It will give you tuple. Yeah, so you need to make it a list, gitu, if you want a list. Okay.
Is that a sorted?
You can choose sorted. Jadi sort sama sorted bedanya itu kalau L sort, that means you sort the list itself. So the original list becomes sorted. Tapi kalau you use sorted bracket the list name, then what happen is it will like create a copy, a sorted copy of that list. So the original list is intact. It remain unsorted.
Is that a sorted? That is sorted.
Yeah, the difference is yeah. Oh, you want to just do in one line, is it? Okay, I I see you want to do one liner, can?
Then.
Okay, I'm guessing it's gonna be wrong, but you run dulu, you test dulu, and then submit.
This and that. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, you really want to make it one line? Okay. One line challenge.
There.
I suspect this is still wrong, but you try first. You submit first.
I don't know. Maybe it's wrong. Maybe it's not. Documents, Kattis, open. Wait, what? No, wrong one.
Can you guess why I think it's gonna be wrong? It's wrong. I knew it.
Why? Wait, I don't.
Coba think. Ayo, what was wrong? Look at your code. Step by step. You take the input and then you split.
Oh, it's string.
It is still string, yes.
Simple.
Jadi kalau string 10 sama 100 ya kan? 10 sama 100.
Yeah.
Gimana sih? 11 sama 100. Nah, 11 sama 100 because it is string. Kalau string 100 will come first before 11 because it's alphabetical order, right? But you have to map it into integer.
Okay, cannot.
And then so what is wrong there?
I have to make it a string.
You have to make it string again because you are using join.
List to string.
you are still insisting to do in one line, yeah?
I just wanna try. If I cannot, then I don't lah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's good to learn.
String 1 dot join s.
So in Python there is trick like this.
Ada string element for element in s.
Yeah, correct. There is a trick like that. So you can actually have a for loop inside you don't need to do. Oh wow, okay. Modify, right? Yeah.
For the list there is integer, then I can make it string element. Wait, string element for element in sorted list. Do I have to put that? Yeah. I passed.
Okay, did you manage to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. One line, but one quite a long line, okay. All right, accepted. Very good. Next problem.
5 milliseconds.
Yeah, Python is slow, so that's why you see some number there. If you use C++, it will be 0.00. It's not even, it's so fast, it doesn't even register. Okay, next problem. Amazing human cannonball. Apa tuh? Stand on Zanzibar.
I don't want to. This is the amazing human cannonball. I don't want to do. So I don't
yeah, that's a bit complicated. Yeah, it's yeah. Skip. Let's skip. Let's do something else. Stand on Zanzibar. What is this? I have not seen this problem also. Let me see. Zanzibar.
Non-decreasing starting economy.
So it's about turtles, yeah. Turtles. Oh, I've done this problem before. Zanzibar. There are turtles in Zanzibar.
Computer slow.
So apa ya? Jadi ada turtles gitu ya in the island of Zanzibar.
Yeah.
The first turtle just keeps track of the number of turtles on the island. Jadi dihitung terus ya. Setiap tahun baru dia menghitung jumlah kura-kura dan dicatat ada berapa. Oke, dan kura-kuranya immortal ya, jadi nggak ada yang mati. So it never ends lah. It never reduce. The number always non-decreasing. It will never decrease. Okay, every year at most one child ya, at most one child. Each turtle, jadi kayak ini ya. Bentar, is it like a pair or each turtle can split into one child? Split into two.
I think it's each turtle split into two.
Ya, each turtle can split into two. Kayak amuba ini membelah diri, oke. Okay.
Ah, okay. Then how do we know if they hatch an egg or not? Yeah, then how do we know if they hatch an egg or not? How do we know if they split? Because over here there are.
Yeah, this is not asking for exact number. It's just asking for the lower bound, meaning the minimum number of turtles that are not born on Zanzibar.
Oh, okay.
Which means you need to you want to minimize. That means you want to minimize those that are not born in the island. That means you can assume that you can maximize those that are born on the island, right? Range. Forgot range.
Range. Okay, for in range and input, I make a list. Okay. Then have range. Yeah, so you don't want it to go to the left. 1, 2, 8. Okay. If I not if I not equal is not equal to wait, how do you do it? How do you do not equal to? Is it
not equal to? Yes, correct. You can use that, or you can also use ini apa? Lesser than and greater than combined together, yeah.
I divide by 2 not minus 1. I want to get the number of turtles born. Minus. This one or more ones. Yeah. Then I check.
Explain your logic, Mas. What do you want to do there?
First, I check all the test cases, right? And then I make a list of all the test cases, like the first one, 100, 0. Then
Mhm.
1, 2, 2, 4, 8, 8, 9, 0.
0 marks the end, yeah. So you don't need 0 actually.
Oh, 0 marks the end.
Yes, 0 marks the end.
Okay.
You are yeah, because in Python we are taking it for granted lah. In Python you can just take the whole line and then create list, right? But in C++ you have to check one by one, right? You have to check one by one. That's why usually the test case they will give a clear sign when it is the end. And in this case they give you 0 at the end to tell that, oh, it is the end of the case. So since we are just you are just using Python and read it, right? Don't forget to remove the last element. You don't need the 0.
L I minus 1. Oh, I forgot. List map. Okay. Li minus 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 is greater than smaller than
Good.
I. If it is, then I will add n plus equal Li minus I minus 1. So can all the totals multiply?
Yeah.
All, even the one that's imported?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I don't have to do this. I minus 1 divided by 2.
Good. Your if statement, is there anything redundant there in your if statement?
What's
Your
redundant?
if statement redundant meaning unnecessary.
Oh, not equal to. Oh, if it's greater than, then it's not equal.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, wrong button. Now I have to make it a string again. Dot join.
Do you need to make it a string?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's integer. I cannot join
No, you
string.
can. You check your output. Check the output again. Check the output format.
No. In. Yes, in.
No, check the output format. What is the expected output format?
Integer. Oh.
Yeah, for each.
Printing the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think your submit on Kattis, did we make it work? Yeah, last time submit. You may want to try that. Yeah, that button. See and wait if it works. If it's not working, then okay, maybe it doesn't work. Never mind.
Submit code for us. You need to have a CV.
Yeah, never mind. It did not fix it. Okay, this looks correct. Let's see.
How come there's
All
only
right.
cases?
Yeah, because I think the second test case is very large. You just put a lot of numbers there and basically put all the test cases in one test case lah. That's how it works. Okay, good. 2 problems down. Very good. Yeah. Next.
Oh, I only have one.
Yeah. So the logic is very simple, right?
Yeah.
If every turtle can make 1 egg every year, right? That means at maximum, the number of turtles will double the next year, right? So the number of turtles that are imported, that are not born in the island, is the difference between the maximum, the double, and the total number of turtle in that year. If it is more than double, that means the difference are definitely imported turtles. Yeah. And then you just need to sum up. Yes, correct. The logic was correct. Very good. Okay, next problem.
Yeah. Which one? I don't know.
Up to you.
I don't know.
Let's see. Okay, let's focus on ini aja. 1 point. Kan ada kategori tuh, kolom kategori.
Yeah.
Yes, kategori. Nah, so 1.4 itu apa kategorinya? 1.4C itu selection only. 1.4, yeah. So the easy ones are 1, right? Because it follows bukunya Om Stephen. Mana ya bukunya Om Stephen? Ini. Bentar. We got this book from Om Stephen ya. Ini kok jadi promo bukunya Om Stephen ini. Competitive Programming. So book 1. Book 1 itu chapter 1 until 4. Nah, so this is apa namanya category 1.4C. That means in the book it is part of the chapter 1 section 1.4 ya. Ya, gitu. So if anyone who is interested, you can find this book online. Order online, I mean, not find the book online, is not cpbook.net. Okay, so yep. What is this? FYI. This one very easy lah, Mas.
Yep.
Yeah, the problem is very simple, right? You are given a phone number, and you need to check. If it is a apa namanya FYI number, right? And FYI number are number with that starts with number that starts with
5.
Okay, you cannot do it that way. Firstly, equals, the equal sign is to be equal, and then you need to combine the logic, right? And you say and, right? You say and. Yeah, so you say if S0 equal to S1 and S1 equal to S2 and S2 equal to 5. If you want to do it that way. But then why so complicated, right? You can just check everything all together, right? Okay, you type first. Complete first. You complete it first, and then we see different version of it. Yeah, and yeah. Yeah, you can do it that way.
And then it goes right there. Range
1.
else. Range 0.
Okay, coba tes dulu, run all. Okay, of course very easy. But now let's make it simpler, right? You can also check the whole 3 characters at once, right? You can just check the first.
I know.
Yeah, the first 3 letters in the string, and in Python is very easy, right? You don't start from 1.
0. 1, 0, 1, 2. Yeah.
Yes, correct. And you actually don't need 0. If it is 0, you don't need to write 0 in Python. So it's just like that.
Hmm.
Okay, tes coba tes dulu. You know why it's wrong? So S and then colon 3 like that gives you the first 3 letters, right? It's a string of 3 letters. It's a string of 3 letters. So what should the string of 3 letters be? Yeah, it should be 555. Coba tes. Good. Yeah, now can you make it one line, Mas?
Print
Print one
if
input. Very good.
put 3
Very good.
555
Very good.
else 0.
Just one line enough. Okay, test. Just one line enough.
Print 1 if input 3 equals 555 else 0. Yeah. Yay. Open.
Very easy problem. But also kind of easy because you use Python, right? So maybe in C++, a bit of syntax you need to write. In Python, it's just one liner like that, very neat, very tidy. Okay, very good. Next problem. Okay, find 1 point something. First choice ini ayah belum kerjain. I think I have not worked on this. You can if you wanna try. Yeah.
And one until end before the start of the show. If one of the cars put it to the princess. Careful to remind the princess. At least one, but not. Perfect cards. Either say you chose to keep those cards or you chose to remove those cards. These cards are removed and the remaining cards are kept. There's only one card left. Make the prediction. Clear the prediction matches the remaining card on it. Work on the 3 integers. N, which is the number of cards. P, which is the secret prediction. And S, which is the number of steps. Next S lines describe the choice of the princess at each step. Each of these lines start with the integer m, which is the number of cards chosen, followed by m distinct integers indicating the labels of the cards chosen. That if Pop has carried out the previous steps correctly, the princess will only choose cards still on the table. This will always choose at least one, but not on. In this country, there will be one card left after S steps. Okay.
Okay, I understand the problem. Let me also do, yeah. I'll also do this. I'll also do this. Let's see who is faster.
No, I'm faster, of course.
Okay. It's not a. Too bad that we cannot share both our screens, yeah. So we could show it like a battle.
I range S. Okay, Rano, wrong. We will keep. What? Yeah. Oh. In L.
Okay, these are small number only, so I can just keep it list. I don't need to change to dictionary or apa namanya hash table for performance. Oh, you're done already. Wow. Okay. I'm not done yet.
Download lip option. First choice. Running. And it is accepted. Yay.
Wow, you're done already. I'm still typing. Okay, you win.
I can't see your screen, yeah. I can't see your screen.
Okay, let me show my screen now. Yeah, you can see my screen clearly.
Yes.
I'm getting error somehow. What happened? Yeah, what is wrong? Map
Yeah,
object is not.
P is an integer and L is wait.
Oh no, this one I need to make it list. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, can you just say is if the string of P is inside L10?
Yeah, can also. Yes. So I don't need to change it to integer, right? Yeah. I can keep it as string. Same thing. Okay, accepted. I'm also done. Okay. Next. All right, Mas, your turn again. You choose the problem now.
Is it full screen? Yeah.
Okay.
1.6K encoded message. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's invented a scheme. He arranges the square. Oh, okay. I understand. Reste autocop. I need to get the square root.
Square root. Which problem is this?
Encoded message.
Encoded message.
I already did it before.
Have you?
Oh no, I've done it. No, I've tried it before.
Oh, you attempted. Yeah. You.
First, what is the test? For input. Means input as equal input. Length equals to math dot square root.
Oh wow. Okay, let's see how you do this. Interesting. So you need to. You've done it before. You need to decrypt the message, right? Yeah.
Have you done it before?
Oh, I had.
You have?
Yeah.
So
actually, a lot of the chapter 1 problems I've done it, like except for the new ones. Yeah. Category 1. Yeah, category 1 point something I have done almost all. Yeah. So in this problem, you need to flip the column and the row, right? The column becomes row, the row becomes column, right?
List.
And then you reverse also, right? Yeah. So you need to transpose, the column becomes the row, and then you need to reverse as well. Yeah. So to decrypt the message, then you need to do the opposite.
For I in range length L equals to
okay, so it's always a square, yeah. Okay, it's always a square number. No.
Is the space included? No, there's
Yeah,
no
because basically any character, but there's no space anyway.
Yeah.
See, for simplicity's sake, in the problem they say, for simplicity's sake, Alex doesn't use white space or punctuation. It's just letters, just to make it easier for you. But actually it doesn't matter, right? Technically speaking, your code doesn't change whether there is space or not space, because each one of them is just treated as character in the string.
For I, range length. I have no idea. I in S. S. If I modulo and +1 not equal 0, so it is divisible. Which means one row has not been finished. So first is like this. ER.
So what do you need to do? You need to reverse the line first, right? After you reverse and then you transpose.
What do you mean reverse the line?
Because in this example, for example, right, dar, you need to reverse it to become RADEE first, right? Do you not need to do that?
No.
Okay, up to you. Go ahead.
Is it? Should I do backwards? Yeah, maybe I should reverse. Then it wouldn't be backwards. No, I don't.
Is length a keyword? Why does it? Oh yeah, okay, never mind. Maybe not. I don't know actually. What is your plan? Tell me.
I check if for each letters, I check if it has already been a row, right? I check if it's already been a row or column. Then if it's not been a row or column already, then I add the letters. Wait, I N S range X0 plus 1 if modulo length not equal 0.
So you want to do character by character, yeah?
Yes.
You can. So you're trying to find for each character where the place should be. Is that what you're trying to do? Yeah.
Yes.
So let's say the first character in this example aja deh, in this problem example. So the first character will be E, right? So what do you do with E? Yeah. Tell me the logic dulu, Mas. You don't need to rush to coding until you properly think through, properly thought through the logic. Tell me the logic first.
First, I append E to L. So E will be L. and then I continue this for every letter, and then if it already has been a row, then I reverse L and I append list inside LL, which is list of lists.
Okay. So you
And
wanna get one row and then reverse it, right?
yeah.
That's what you're trying to do, right? You wanna get one row and then reverse it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Because this is Python, so you can do it very easy, right? You just cut one row and then do dot reverse, right? Or just do the colon -1 itu to reverse.
Oh, that one, yeah.
Yeah, because it's Python. But if it is C++, then yeah, maybe you need to do this, right? You need to you need to keep track every character, and then once you reach the end of the row, then you move back, right?
Yeah, that's true. LL dot append. Now, so then I have the list of lists, which is this. Then
Okay, check your range. Why do you? Oh, I see.
maybe I should print LL. T. Huh? TS. Oh. Huh. Oh, no wonder. I do not understand what is happening. SR. EECT. ADEE. Why is it repeating? It's 1. It's not 0. I append. 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is it repeating? I don't
Is the
understand.
length 4 in this case?
Huh?
Is the length 4 in the example? In the
Top secret?
top secret 3, right?
Yeah, top secret is 3.
Okay, the last one.
But it's having 2.
And how come? Yeah, you are only appending 2. Oh yeah, because of course lah, Mas. When you are at the end, so okay, let me follow your logic, yeah. So your logic is not wrong, but the problem is when you are at the end of the row, you immediately reverse your list. You forgot to include the character in that end of the row.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
But then why is it repeating itself?
Why it is repeating itself?
TSR. Oh no, it's not repeating. It's just printing again and again. Yeah. Okay. It's okay.
Yeah, because you are printing again and again. So yeah, maybe you move your print.
TSR OEE PCT RADEE. Okay.
Okay, it's a bit complicated approach, but okay, as long as it works first.
And then I check for X in range len LL, then for y in range len ll 0 or any number, but then it's always 0. The minus 1 for this. Yes. And then minus 1. First, x in range. I check. Let's say it's top secret. Then LL will be 3. Then for those 3 times, I check the 3. This. I open. Unsequence. Then the length.
Yep, very good.
Then I add
So you already reversed the line now.
What do you need
to do?
1 plus equal LL Y X.
Okay, let's see. Okay, your length
Oh yeah.
is a double, is a float. Yeah, you need to make it an integer. Very good.
1 plus equal LLY. Least index out of range. Out of range. What if I do add one LL? Ln L minus 1. I didn't even. Oh, I haven't. Oh, it's an error.
Okay, I know what your mistake is. It's not about the length. The length was either way is correct. It's the same thing. Learn LL and learn LL. Element of LL is the same.
Is it because I'm something like this? Is it because of that? Or is it the other way around?
It's about where you are doing this. Look at where you are doing this whole thing.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
No wonder. When I haven't print.
Yeah, good. Okay, that looks correct. Nice. Okay, you can submit.
Submit encoded message. Submit.
Yeah, it's a bit complicated, your approach, but as long as it works, then it works. Yeah. Okay, good.
What about yours? I want to see yours.
You want to see mine? Okay, let's see mine encoded. Yeah. E. It is encoded. This one encoded. What did I do? Oh, I actually just use a like a mapping. Just a mapping aja. So where the character should be. Yeah, I think this looks like my old logic. If I were to do it now, I think what I would do is just use the reverse study. Just use the reverse and then play just like what you did just now. Play with the column and row. But this one I just immediately map aja. So for every J and I, right? And J is you see J is a reverse. It's a countdown. It starts from K minus 1, right? starts from k minus 1 until 0. That's why we put minus 1 here. And it reduced by 1. So you know range, right? So let's say, apa namanya? Is it big enough to see? Yeah.
You can see it.
So, yeah. Okay. Right? Is it? Yeah. Too small. Yeah. So if you do range 5, right? It's okay. For print x in for x in range 5. Let's see.
You have to put a bracket.
Yeah. Yeah, right. So range 5 looks like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's range 5. Okay, let me change my sharing. Yeah, I think so that it's more readable. Let me share a window instead. Yeah, a window. Yeah, this is clearer, right? So this is what happen if you have range 5, right? 0 to 4, right? So if I say like this, range 1 to 6, what happened is 1 until right before 6, right? So this second parameter here is not included, and the default is you add by 1. So if let's say range 1 until let's say 17, but I want 2 added by 2, then this is what you get: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 3, 13, 15. You got it? So yeah, so if I have range 0 to 17 and we add 3, then we get the multiples of 3: 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Gitu. So if you want to do a countdown, then you start from 10. Yeah, you want to end. If you put 0 here and minus 1 here, then it's a countdown 10, 9, but until 1, right?
10.
So what I did just now in my logic, what I did just now in my logic is entire screen. Yeah, what I did just now in my logic is actually I'm doing a countdown. So the reverse, what I did with the reverse was a countdown actually. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I do. So I count down for each row. I count down, and this is the which row I'm doing, right? Yeah, something like that, basically. All right. So accepted for you. Okay. Let's continue next problem.
I have to stop this full screen. Okay. There's only one more 1.4 I can see, except 1.43. Control flow. No, I don't want to do it.
Okay, you want to do. Okay, you do other category. Let's try. Let's check other category.
How do you do this? More content. Print its compact representation. Huh? A row number of size of stars. It's visually appealing if it satisfies the computation. First 3 rows cannot have fewer stars than the second row. First row. Adjacent rows differ by no more than 1 star. Every other row has the same number of stars. Wait, a flag pattern is visually appealing if it satisfies either of the conditions.
All.
All.
Hmm.
Oh, then how come every other row has the same number of stars and adjacent rows differ by no more than one star?
Yeah, so every other row means every other itu apa interleaving. So every other can be like, so let's say every other row have different color. Have every other row have same color. That means it can be black, white, black, white, black, white. This is every other row, right? But it can also be black, 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 black also. Because it's also every other row juga. So every other row itu kayak gantian gitu mas, interleaving.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then why we exactly and null? Is X, Y the different rows? Like X is row 1 and Y is row 2 and X is row 3 and...
Yeah, so because every other row has the same number, right? That means that you only need two numbers, right? Which is how many stars in the first row and how many stars in the second row. So if let's say, for example, 2, 1 gitu ya, in one of the example, 2, 1, so you have 2 and then 1. If you continue, then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 gitu. But look at the output 2, sample output 2, you also have 2, 2, right? That means 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, everything is 2. Yeah, that's what it means.
I still don't
So
understand.
yeah, so let's say sample input 2, yeah, 50, right? So you have 50 stars.
Yeah.
You can put it as 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, right?
Yeah.
Until berapa itu berarti? If you have 50, then how many times do you need to do 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1?
48.
24 times, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, apa? 48 divided by 3, right?
16.
Yeah, right. Yeah, so 2, 1, 2, 1 until you reach 48, and then the last one is 2, right?
Yeah.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then 2. So it works for 50, you see. But you can also do for 50, you can do 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 25 times. Right.
That for every even number I can do that.
Is it just even number? So let's say 25, 25 though. So 25, 25.
Oh, I see divisibility. What if it's what?
Yeah.
But if it's a prime number, then how?
Yeah, but it's not just divisibility, right? Well, actually, yeah, it's not just divisibility because it doesn't have to conclude, right? So kayak 50 sama 2, 1 tadi kan? Yang divisible by 2 plus 1, yang divisible by 3 itu 48. But then it works for 50 because from 48 to 50 you have 2. Just need 2. So it works just nice. Yeah, so it's a combination of multiple but also residues. So yeah.
Then how do I do it? I don't know. I'm lost.
You think lah. You think lah, how are you going to do it? Think dulu. Don't rush to code. You think first. How are you going to implement this? Maybe you start the easy one dulu. If it is multiple, right? If it is multiple, very easy. Like factor.
Are we supposed to? Are we supposed to print all possible outcomes?
Correct. Yeah, we have to.
I still don't understand the part. Oh. 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. I still don't know how to do.
Okay, you think first. We conclude dulu ininya udah 1 hour. It's exactly 1 hour now. We conclude the live stream dulu. You think on this problem and we do next time. Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Bye bye everyone.
see my screen. No, I need to see my screen.